Hi, today in front of me Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see ring and notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot, but by this way we'll mute not only notifications but also the ringtones, and if you want to stay with the ringtones we should unmute this volume panel, then scroll down to default notification tone, and here switch your currently notification sound to none. Then just tap here to OK, and that's it. So by this way we'll mute only notifications but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.